Have you ever wondered why, with billions of stars and countless planets out there, we still haven't had any contact with alien life? Is it possible that we are completely alone in the universe? Or is there a much darker reason for this silence? Maybe they are watching us. Maybe the universe is too dangerous a place for civilizations like ours to reveal themselves. Today we're going to explore one of the most intriguing and terrifying theories that tries to answer the question, why haven't we found aliens yet? Meet the dark forest theory. Every night we look up at the starry sky, it's impossible not to imagine what lies beyond. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains around 100 billion stars, many of them orbited by planets that could harbor life. And that's without counting the countless other galaxies that make up the universe. With such colossal numbers, it seems almost impossible that Earth is the only place with intelligent life. Yet here we are, centuries of scientific exploration, and we still haven't seen or heard anything. The absence of extraterrestrial signals is one of the greatest mysteries of modern science. Over the years, several theories have emerged to explain this silence. One of the scariest is the dark forest theory, a hypothesis suggesting that not only are aliens out there, but they are deliberately ignoring us, or worse, avoiding us. But why? To understand this, we need to dive into the implications of this theory. The dark forest theory emerged as an attempt to resolve the Fermi paradox, a question raised by physicist Enrico Fermi in 1950. He asked, if the universe is so vast and there are so many stars with planets around them, where is everyone? Why haven't we found evidence of alien life yet? Fermi had a point. The odds of us being the only intelligent civilization in the universe are incredibly small. Yet no solid evidence of alien civilizations has been found so far. This paradox has fueled debates and speculations for decades. Some explanations suggest that perhaps advanced civilizations destroy themselves before they have time to travel to other stars, while others propose that we are living in a kind of cosmic zoo where aliens observe but do not interfere. But the dark forest theory goes even deeper. It suggests that the universe is far more dangerous than we imagine, and any civilization that makes too much noise may attract the wrong kind of attention. Imagine the universe as a vast and silent forest, where every intelligent civilization is like a hunter. In such a forest, silence is vital for survival. Revealing oneself or making too much noise could mean being destroyed by something bigger and more dangerous. This is the essence of the dark forest theory. According to this hypothesis, advanced civilizations may be out there, but they hide, fearing that others, more powerful and hostile, will find and annihilate them. Perhaps the cosmos isn't the peaceful and inviting place we often imagine. Instead, it could be a brutal environment, where the law of survival reigns supreme. And in this scenario, staying silent is the only way to survive. When we analyze the universe, we see stars and galaxies dating back billions of years. It's likely that alien civilizations emerged long before us. If that's the case, where are they? Were they all destroyed by greater forces? Or did they learn not to expose themselves? Perhaps there are already technologically superior civilizations living in complete secrecy, in silence, watching other forms of life grow and disappear without ever interfering. The question is, what about us? Are we breaking that silence? Over the past few decades, we've sent various signals and radio transmissions into space, trying to make contact with intelligent life forms. From the SETI project, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, which scans the skies for alien radio signals, to the Voyager probe, which carries a message for alien civilizations. We've been literally shouting to the universe that we're here. But what if that was a fatal mistake? What if by making noise, we're attracting cosmic predators who see civilizations like ours as a threat or even a source of resources? This is where the most frightening part of the dark forest theory comes in. Just as in nature, where predators silently hunt their prey, in the universe, more advanced and hostile civilizations could be lurking, waiting for signs of life that reveal the position of other species. If a civilization reveals its presence, it may be exposing itself to the risk of being eliminated before even knowing what hit it. And what if we've already been observed? Think about our planet. Since the invention of radio just over a century ago, Earth has been emitting signals into space. These signals, traveling at the speed of light, have already covered a large area around Earth. Any sufficiently advanced civilization could detect them. The big question is, what would they do with that information? Another aspect of this theory is that perhaps civilizations, upon reaching a certain level of technological development, end up destroying themselves. It could be that after developing weapons of mass destruction or depleting their natural resources, they become extinct before having the chance to explore the cosmos on a large scale. And maybe part of the survival process is learning not to expose themselves, to remain silent. But what does this mean for us? Are we on the verge of collapse? Humanity continues to advance technologically, and while this brings many benefits, it also introduces new dangers. Nuclear weapons, climate change, pandemics. We are constantly balancing on the edge between progress and destruction. This theory raises an important question. Should we continue trying to make contact with alien civilizations? Carl Sagan, one of the greatest advocates for the search for extraterrestrial life, believed that discovering other forms of life could be one of humanity's greatest achievements. But what if he was wrong? What if, by sending our signals into space, we are actually putting ourselves in danger? There is still so much we don't know about the universe. But one thing is certain, it is vast, ancient, and full of mysteries we have barely begun to understand. The dark forest theory may be a grim explanation, but it also serves as a warning about the dangers that might be lurking out there. And perhaps before we continue our search, we should ask ourselves, are we ready for the answers we might find? The dark forest theory makes us question not only our position in the universe, but also our very survival as a species. If the universe is a dangerous forest, perhaps silence is the only form of protection. However, as natural explorers, humans have an uncontrollable thirst for knowledge. What will happen when we make contact? That's something we cannot yet predict. But in the meantime, we continue our search for answers. And you, what do you think? Should we keep searching? Or would it be wiser to remain silent and wait? If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring fascinating theories about the universe, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's so much more content coming your way, and if you want to continue this journey, click on the video that's popping up on your screen right now. I'm sure you'll be even more amazed. See you in the next video. Take care.